Bluestorm inflatable life jackets are designed to inflate when submerged in water. As shown here, the vest inflates within seconds, providing added buoyancy to keep you afloat when you need it most. A frequently asked question: since my vest is designed to inflate automatically, will it unexpectedly inflate from exposure to rain? We do not have rain on hand, but we do have a hose. Let's put it to the test. Here you can see the inflation mechanism is visible and showing green. This means the device is armed and ready to go. Now, we will spray the vest for about 2 minutes to see if it will inflate unexpectedly. Even under constant spray, the vest should not inflate. The vest must be submerged for water to be forced into the inflation mechanism. The design of the inflation mechanism and the outer shell help resist rain and splashing. This reduces unintended inflation. High levels of humidity over time can degrade the bobbin inside the inflation mechanism. Bobbins can be easily inspected and replaced. It is recommended they are checked often. Keeping your inflatable life jacket properly maintained will allow it to inflate when you need it most. A few notes. Read your owner's manual for proper maintenance of your inflatable life jacket. The bobbin in your inflatable mechanism has an expiration date. Make sure it has not expired. And remember to inspect your inflation mechanism often.